Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer and I'm an online reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, and Thredup. On this channel, I do thrift hauls, unboxings, and every 2 weeks I do a what sold video to show you everything that sells for me out of those thrift hauls and unboxings. Today is another exciting video as I am opening up a fun box. A Thredup Fun Box is comprised of, I don't know, fun things that Thredup either doesn't sell or didn't sell, possibly, on their site. This past week was the very first time I have ever gotten to see the fun box lit up, ready to purchase. When I did see that, I bought one right away to make sure that I could snag one. And after that, I got another one and I saw that it was still available. So after that, I got a third one. And to celebrate all of that, this is going to be a collab video with Kay over at Passports and Pizzapies. Kay also took a reseller YouTube course that Becky Park over at Becky Park Poshmark put on. We didn't take the course at the same time, but once you sign up for her course, you get into this Facebook group, and the community in that group has been phenomenal. The tips we all talk about, the collabs that we all do, everything that we've learned, we bounce ideas off of each other, is really, really, really great. And the course in general was amazing. And even though it is a reseller YouTube course, there are some people that have taken her course that aren't necessarily resellers or, clothing oriented like most of us are. So if you are interested in that, in upping your YouTube game, my affiliate link for the course is down below. But since this was one of the first rounds of me being able to get a fun box, I wanted to see if she wanted to do a collab, and she was all for it. So here we are, we're going to do our collab. My boxes come from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Most of the ones that I've seen her open recently have been from Arizona. So it'll be definitely interesting to see which warehouses we get them from and who has the better box. Her video will be linked down below, so just let us know in the comments who got the better box. So let's get started. Oh, what's that? So like I mentioned, this is a fun box and it was $32. It's supposed to have 10 items in here. It usually has more. So here we go. Ooh. I will tear the top so everyone can see. Okay. It's definitely a mixture of things. Here we go. Let's play I Spy. Alright. First, relieve back pain. Posture corrector brace. Maybe I should use this. Could probably use some correcting. That just looks uncomfortable. I don't know about that. I don't know if this is new. It's kind of stuffed in here, so it may be new. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. But it is Glammy Kings. Relieve back pain. Next, we have a Hot Tools signature curling iron. I definitely don't need this. So I don't know. I will have to. This looks old. Is this not old? I don't know. Like, you can adjust the thing. There's no like automatic shut off. I think this is old. I could be wrong. I don't know. I haven't owned a curling iron in so long. Oh, the memories. Anyone need a curling iron? That could be yours. Okay. Joy Love. This is a Brighton Tote Bag. Brighton is good. Love Joy Tote Bag. It's just a tote bag. New tag. Aw, it has, sometimes you got to get off that shelf and be your own bad self. Lulu the elf. Isn't that adorable? I like that. So it's a Christmassy tote bag. Alright, that's cute. I have a box of something in here. Huh, okay. That's some new with tags. Nautica, size medium. Some, what was that? Not mistletoe. Is it holly berry? Maybe? I don't know. It's new tag, super soft. Like super soft. These will probably sell well in a few months. And well, as in like when that time comes, not for like hundreds of dollars. I'm very curious on this box. What is this? All right. These are kind of cool. I can't lie. So these are placemats, like woven, rainbow color.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's 6 of them. No tags on any of them. These are pretty cool. I think with the colors and everything, that these will actually do. These will do pretty well, I think. I don't know. They could be garbage for all I know, but I don't think these ever been used. Like the end frilly thingies are like, you can just tell that they've never been like messed with. Fringe frilly thingies, you know. Oh, socks. No, not socks. Knitted texting gloves with Sherpa fleece lining, size large. So you keep your hands warm while you have your fingers available to text.
Or in our case, you know, list new things, send offers, all the fun reseller stuff. Look up comps.
I don't know how much these are worth, but these are cool. Another little tote bag. Ooh, it's got the, what are they called? Oh, here we go again. I can't remember. They're called something. I can't remember. I'll have to put it on the screen. But it's where the doll fits into the other doll, fits into the other doll. Russian dolls? Is it just Russian dolls or like a certain name Russian dolls? I don't know. This is a cute little tote bag. Seems new. Purple on the inside. And inside. Ooh, some more colorful things. Okay. So are these napkins that go with the placemats? Alright. Cool. We got a Fun to Wear Fantasies by LA Imports. Oh! Yes, this is definitely fun to wear. Check that out. Oh, this has got to be the winning piece. That's awesome. It is just plus size is all it says. So, that's fun. And then we got the Joke's on You Suicide Squad beanie. So it looks like it is Suicide Squad branded, DC Comics, Warner Brothers, 100% acrylic, 14 and older. So sorry 13-year-olds, you can't wear this. Alright. I don't think I've ever seen this in a fun box before. it's kind of interesting. And it seems new. It's still got bubble wrap around the actual thing, and it is a laminator. So a 9-inch creative laminator to laminate things. Have you ever seen this in a fun box? This does seem pretty fun. Huh. That is wild. This would be a great thing for a teacher. Alright. It's pretty cool. Alright, so here is a bag full of stuff. I noticed that this has just a whole bunch of random stuff in it, but man, there must be a theme on the colors, because look at that. It's like kind of like the placemats, but it's a headband, a $6 iconic cord keeper, Vera Bradley. So I think this is one of those where you, because there's a snap right here, I'm not going to open it, right here, that you wrap your cord, like your headphone cord, maybe around it to kind of keep it in order. Next we have a mighty patch. It looks like this helps for blemishes. Oh, okay. You put it over like a whitehead, so you can like put makeup on and it doesn't go on it. Okay, that's interesting. So, Hero Cosmetics. Alright, I mean, that's nifty. We got a hopefully unused grooming kit. Tweezers, little scissors. This doesn't seem like special or anything, but I will definitely probably keep this because those scissors, those little bitty scissors, come in handy for a lot of things, including little tiny strings on clothing and stuff. So might keep that. And last but not least in this bag, we have I'm guessing this is to keep it, what, waterproof, or is this like a case? I don't know. Shows this. I don't think it's waterproof. It's definitely not waterproof. There's a hole. So I guess just a little wristlet to keep your phone in. So there's that. I don't think it's real leather. It's definitely not real leather. So nothing like super exciting. All right. Put these back, and then we will count. And then oh wait, there's more. I found this on the floor. Hey, rhyme. All right, this looks very cheap. All right. There we go. All right, so there's no idea. I can't even get it. I'll put a picture of it on the screen. These are like wooden, and these are little puffs with metal things through them. Okay, I don't think this is anything like super special, but here it is. It's fun. All right, so let's count. The bag is 1, 2,
3, 4, 5. We'll count this as 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So, not bad. Again, some interesting pieces. That is for sure. Hopefully, Thredup will open up more Thredup Fun Boxes for me to purchase. Don't forget to check out Kay's unboxing video, which will be linked down below, and then let us know in the comments who had the better box. I also want to thank Kay for doing this with me. I love doing collabs. They are a lot of fun. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Consider subscribing on your way out. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one.